Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right now. If your laptop is hitting dangerous heat, shut it down or put it to sleep to stop damage. Once powered off, raise the rear by 1 to 2 centimeters to improve intake and make sure no vents are blocked. While it's off, use compressed air in short bursts from 20 to 30 centimeters to blow dust from grills. This removes immediate airflow restrictions and buys you time before deeper work. Now open monitoring tools to record idle and load temperatures so you know the baseline and the worst case. If the laptop is over 2 years old or temps remain high, plan to reapply thermal paste to CPU/GPU because degraded paste reduces heat transfer. While you're inside, reseat fans and check they spin freely. Then update BIOS and firmware and adjust fan curves. These steps improve cooling response and fix firmware-related throttling issues. Finish by tuning power. Undervolt or set a conservative max CPU power limit to reduce heat while keeping usable performance. Make sure thermal pads on VRMs and chips are intact or replaced with high-quality pads, and reassemble using correct screw torque to maintain contact. If temperatures remain high after reassembly, try an external cooling pad to isolate the issue, and if necessary,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.